Hello, I want to introduce you all to a new remedy that I am making available called the Golden Heart Elixir. I created this remedy in January after my heart had been through some things. I should say I started thinking about this remedy in January after my heart had been through some painful experiences. And it's inspired by the Japanese pottery art form called Kintsugi or Kintsugi. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. I've looked it up. I've gotten Kintsugi. So hopefully that's how you pronounce it. But it's a pottery form where a vessel, if it's cracked, it's filled with gold material. So it looks like it's repaired with these veins of gold. And so for me, it reminds me of someone's heart after it's been through a painful experience, possibly heartbreak or loss or grief of some kind, and how it's repaired and healed with love and the golden energy of healing. So that's what inspired this remedy called the Golden Heart Elixir. It's a combination of a honey infusion of Hawthorn berries, as well as a tincture of Linden Blossom and a tincture of ginger root. Now those are combined to make a 25% alcohol based elixir, so it's a honey alcohol elixir made with organic cane alcohol. And to that, I am going to be adding flower essences, which, if you aren't familiar with flower essences, they are more of a subtle energy herbal medicine. So the person who helped develop modern day flower essence therapy is Dr. Edward Bach. And he was an English physician of the 1930s who believed that if we healed negative emotions, we would help the body to heal itself, because we would take away that negative energy that got in the way of the flow of our body being able to heal itself. So Dr. Edward Bach developed 38 different Bach remedies, which I will make available for people to choose which remedies they'd like to be put in their bottle. Each bottle is a 100 ml bottle, or 3.3 fluid ounces, and so I would be adding up to 5 different flower essences to this, so it can be your personal Golden Heart Elixir. So this is my new little product for people. I made it initially as part of a medicine making class, just the elixir part. Every year I teach a medicine making class to beginning herbalists at a herbalist school that's local to me, and we teach how to do alcohol extractions and water extractions and honey extractions and oil extractions. And as part of the final tincture class, we learn how to make elixirs, which, as I said before, are a combination of honey infusions and hydroethanol extraction, also known as a tincture. So this one is made as a remedy for the heart. If you would like to see where to get one made for yourself, please look at the description below, and it'll have a link so you can message me if you have any questions, and we can connect. If you'd like a personal consultation, if you'd like to just look at the different flower essences that are available and choose your own, that's an option too. So I wanted to send you love and heart healing as we all navigate through these changes that we're all going through, and this is one of my little treasures I'm putting out into the world. So I hope you are well, and I send you so much love, and I will see you again soon. Mwah.